Hello everybody, in this lesson I will introduce the quadratic sequence and I will show you how to find the next three terms of the sequence. Now what is a quadratic sequence? It is a number pattern where the second difference between two terms d2 is constant. Example 1. State whether the number pattern is linear, quadratic or cubic. So we start by working out the first difference, d1. And we do that, d's equation is always term 2 minus term 1. So therefore, I will say 4 minus 1 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. 16 minus 9 is 7. 25 minus 16 is 9. Then there's a first difference, but it's not a constant. We try again. Second difference, d2, we say. Again, it's the second one minus the first one. We say 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. What can you see? That indeed there's a second difference and it's constant, therefore it's a quadratic number pattern and the general term will be Tn is equal to n squared. Example 2. State whether the number pattern is linear, quadratic or cubic. And then I give you the pattern 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216. I start with the first difference. I will say 8 minus 1 is 7. 27 minus 8 is 19. 64 minus 27 is 37. 125 minus 64 is 61. 216 minus 125 is 91. That's the first difference. Let's work out the second difference. Now we say 19 minus 7 is 12. 37 minus 18, I beg your pardon, 37 minus 19 is 18. 61 minus 37 is 24. 91 minus 61 is 30. Again, there's no constant second difference. Let's work out the third difference by saying 18 minus 12 is 6. 24 minus 18 is 6. 30 minus 24 is 6. And what can you see? The third difference is constant, therefore it's a cubic number pattern and the general term is Tn is equal to n to the power of 3 or n cubed. Example 3. Give the next three terms of the sequence 5, 11, 21, 35. So the first thing that we have to do is you write down the pattern and then you work out the first difference. Therefore, you're going to say 11 minus 5 is 6. 21 minus 11 is 10. 35 minus 21 is 14. Now we work out the second difference by saying 10 minus 6 is 4. 14 minus 10 is 4. And what can you see? There's a constant second difference, therefore your sequence will be quadratic. Now, to get to the next term, you know now that the second difference is 4. What you do is you take this second difference and you add it to 14 to get 18. And then you take the 18 and you add it to 35 and then the next term in your sequence is 53. Then you go back to your second difference, which was 4. You take 4 and you add it to 18, and it's 22. And then you take 22 and you add it to 53, 75. So your next term will be 75. And then again, your second difference was 4. Now we say 4 plus 22 is 26. And then 26 plus 75 is 101. Therefore, the next 3 terms of your sequence will be 53, 75, 101. Example 4. Give the next 3 terms of the sequence: 19, 10, minus 7, minus 32, minus 65. Then there's your pattern, and again we start with the first difference. We say 10 minus 19 is minus 9 or negative 9. Negative 7 minus 10 is negative 17. Negative 32 minus bracket minus 7 is negative 25. Negative 65 minus bracket negative 32 is equal to minus 33. Then we work out the second difference and we say negative 17 minus bracket minus 9 is negative 8. Negative 25 minus bracket minus 17, negative 8. Negative 33 minus bracket minus 25 is negative 8. And then there's a constant second difference, therefore our sequence will be quadratic. Now to get to the next term, we know that the second difference is negative 8. And then what we do is we say negative 8 plus minus 33 is negative 41. And now we add negative 41 to negative 65 and we find negative 106. That's the next term. Then again, the second difference is negative 8. And then we add negative 8 plus negative 41 is negative 49. And now it's negative 49 plus negative 106 is negative 155. That's your second term. And then the next one, negative 8. We say negative 8 plus negative 49 is negative 57. And then negative 57 plus negative 155 is negative 212. In the next video, I will show you how to calculate the general term of a quadratic sequence. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson.